NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has observed one of the galaxy's wildest stars in a dramatic, colorful close-up, capturing the vast spiral patterns weaving between the stars. About 700 light-years away, a binary star system called Aquarius R is experiencing a violent eruption, spewing out huge filaments of glowing gas. This video shows 5 frames from 2014 to 2023 of Aquarius R, a symbiotic binary star system in the constellation Aquarius. It is a binary system consisting of a white dwarf and a red giant surrounded by a large, dynamic nebula. These individual images show how the brightness of the central binary changes over time due to the strong pulsations of the red giant. We also see that the central structure spirals outwards due to interactions with material previously ejected from the binary. Our Aquarius belongs to a class of binary stars called symbiotic stars. The primary star is an aging red giant, and its companion is a compact, burnt-out star called a white dwarf. The primary red giant is classified as a Mira variable and is more than 400 times more massive than the Sun. This bloated monster star pulsates over the course of about 390 days, changing its temperature and fluctuating in brightness by a factor of 750. At its peak, the star dazzles with a brightness about 5,000 times greater than the Sun. Images like these and others from Hubble are expected to revolutionize our ideas about unique stellar volcanoes like our Aquarius. The Hubble Space Telescope has been in operation for more than 30 years and continues to make groundbreaking discoveries that shape our fundamental understanding of the universe.